Let's switch. Go this side first. Come on in. I'm gonna look at this number. Sorry about that.
Why are you taking a picture?
It's just a hobby of mine.
Okay.
I like riding the elevators. That's all. I didn't take a picture of persons.
Okay, no. Yes, I asking.
You know the subway's closure today.
What's Subway close?
No, it's up to St. Clair. That's it.
Up to St. Clair?
Yes.
I wanna go St. Clair.
Okay.
Canary okay?
Yes, St. Clair's on way.
Yeah.
It takes you to St. Clair
The
today.
green line okay?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Have you? Let's switch. Where's the other auto over here? There's buses here. I'm grabbing another elevator here to go down because they're improving the installation. Sorry.
It's okay.
Because I see the elevator ding. Might as well ride it because I like riding elevators.
Oh yeah? It's pretty cool.
So on distance.
This is on the right side this time. The other side was the wrong side. Yeah.
Have a good day.
You too, thank you.
Hope the train comes back. They're doing some construction at this station. This is the elevator here at the Eglinton West Station here in Toronto, Ontario. And this subway will become renaming the station in the coming years to, I don't know what's to pronounce, but they will be transferring the station too, by the way. They have fixtures down here. There's a director down here. There he is. Watch your bottom right out, and that's it. Done. Actually, watch your door close, actually. Look at these, but why does a fire service recall here? There he goes, and that's it.